Hello guys, this is Concept Guru and today we will be learning about kinematics. So this is the first video of kinematics. So in this we will be learning about the states of rest or motion and particularly rest and motion, and we will get an overview about scalars and vectors. Okay. So let's start. Here I have already written the definition, so we can save the time. So let's read it out thoroughly. So what is rest? If an object is said to be at rest if it does not changes its position with respect to time. Okay. So here what does rest means? If an object, suppose this is the object, and it is not moving, its speed is 0, it's standing here still. At 12 o'clock you observe that the car is here, and at 12:30 you observe the car is here. At 1 o'clock you observe the car is here. So the car is at rest because it is not changing its position with respect to time. But one thing I missed here, it is the reference point. First let me tell you in the simpler way, then in the next video I will tell you about the reference point, and then we will note the actual thing, what is rest and what is motion. So what I was saying here, that the car does not change its position with respect to time. Okay. And here what is motion? So an object is said to be in motion if it does not changes its position with respect to time. If it changes its position, sorry, here is a mistake. If it changes its position with respect to time. Okay. So here is a car and it is on the ground. So consider this car, and it is moving at the speed of 20 meters per second, and a man is standing here. He is watching the car. The man is standing still, and the car's speed is 20 meters per second. So the car is moving at a speed of 20 meters per second with respect to man. Means the man will see the car moving at a speed of 20 meters per second. Okay. And but in other case, suppose this is the car moving. This is the car moving with 20 meters per second, and this is the car moving at also at 20 meters per second, and the distance between them is always same, even after 5 seconds or 10 seconds or 20 seconds or 1 hour. So with respect to this car is at rest, because the driver here will see the car's driver very straightly. He will not see that the car's driver is moving forward or backward. He will think that the car is at rest. Have you ever noticed that when you are in a train and another train is passing by, and for a little bit of time, for 2 seconds or 4 seconds or 3 seconds, the train is just traveling with the speed of your train, and you think that the train is your train and that train both are at rest. But from the oscillation of the train or the vibration of your train, you understand that no, my train is moving. I forgot. Yeah. Okay. So this is how motion and rest both are interrelated. So you see, with respect to this man, both the cars in motion, but with respect to each other, both the cars are at rest. Okay. So this was all about rest and motion. So now let me introduce you about vectors and scalar quantities. So what is a vector quantity? To know vector quantity, you first should know what is a scalar quantity. So a scalar quantity is a type of quantity which contains only magnitude. Okay. Suppose you write, I have brought mom, I have brought. You come to home and say to your mom, mom, I have brought 2 kg of potato for you, or 2 kg of this thing for you, or 4 kg or 100 kg of this. I have ordered this kg, or I have walked today 2 kilometer or 5 kilometer, or etc. etc. I have walked 500 meter. Okay, so here what you say, and you say, mom, I have studied 2 hours, and whenever you are suffering from a fever, the doctor says you are suffering from a 104 degree centigrade, you are 104 degree Fahrenheit fever. Okay, so this is all about scalar quantity, because in this you can notice I have never written the direction, but here I will write the direction. Suppose I write 2 kilometer, then I write east, then this will become a vector quantity. Now first thing to notice here, that I have written 2 kilometer here, and also I have written 2 kilometer here, both in scalar and vector quantity. But why I have put a direction here? Means suppose an object is moving in a moving 2 kilometer in eastwards direction. Okay, so this is all about because here this quantity is displacement. And this is distance. Now displacement is also a type of distance, but it is the shortest distance between one point to another point. But distance is the original path traveled. When you go from your home to a temple or your school, you say the distance is 2 kilometers. But the shortest distance means, suppose here is your home and here is the school. Message is not like this, and this is the path you go. This is the path from going to your school, and this distance is 2 kilometers. And from here to here directly, maybe just not consider the path in real life, this is an imaginary path, or you say the direct distance between the point, or not such an imaginary, but the direct distance or the shortest distance. Maybe this could be 1.5 or 1 kilometer or 500 meter. So this is called displacement, the shortest distance, whereas the original path traveled is distance. So, okay, so this is distance and this is displacement. So displacement is a vector quantity, because suppose this is north and this is east and this is south and this is west and this is south, then the car is, or the displacement of your school from to your home is 1.5 kilometer northeast. Okay, so this is the displacement from your home to your school. Okay, but you write the distance only 2 kilometer. So this was all about vector and scalar quantities. So last thing to say you, that if you like the videos, please post and subscribe and share these videos, so that others can also see and you help others. And one more thing, that if you want these notes, I will give it in the description. There is a link in the description. You can click on it and download these notes for understanding. Okay, so thank you, and please like. Okay.